Doing a calf feed blend here. These guys are going to show us the ingredients going in. We'll start now.
This non-highlighted one goes down by the guys down below. They're getting the bags, they're getting the fortifier, they're going to get the liquid molasses. Some calf fortifier pellets here in the cart that we will be adding to the mixer to start our calf feed making process. All the highlighted ones is on me, so I'm sending down whole corn right now, and I can choose whether I want oats or Vitasoy next, and next I'll need 3,000 pounds of oats, and that's what I'm going to do. 3,000 pounds of oats. It goes down. Below the floor is an auger that feeds it to this leg. Now it goes all the way up this leg. Comes down this chute. And now it's got to go up this leg.
What are you weighing out there?
Lactation mineral.
Brad?
This is a yeast product.
Okay.
Microbial yeast product it's called. I am sending down thick flake. It comes out of this scale. It's a hopper over there. As that's going down, I am filling up 38% dairy. Yep, so I just completed everything that I need to send down. But now all we wait is for that liquid molasses. It probably pumps like 100 pounds a minute. So it's gonna take a little bit. All of the hand adds, you know, the bags that we dumped, the carts, everything that from the bulk end that came down through the hoppers is now all in that calf feed mixer. This is our meter that's running molasses on as we speak.
Cool.
And now we got different valves. It's not
616 pounds, Elliot? That's what that is? 19.
Yeah, yep. And we programmed it to reach I think 1,500 it was or something. So it's got quite a ways to go.
Sure.
We got one that reaches the amount it's got to reach. We switch it back to mixing. So like right now, it's taking all that product in there and making sure everything gets touched by the molasses.
So in the
when
mixer
we
right now,
put it on the
got
blender.
diverted.
Molasses line basement kind of follows up here. We got some valves that we got to make sure are checked and running in the right position. And then yeah, it runs through the meter, and then we got the line that runs up and hits the caffeine mixer. Yeah, this is the mixer. It's the tumble mixer. It fits about 10 ton, 20,000 pounds. And right now, since we have the blending on, we got these two doors. Yep. The one is open now. So it goes down. This is the blender. Molasses line hits the check valve. And now it's hitting the blender.
Put molasses right on the feed.
Yep. So everything gets touched by the molasses.
And as soon as the molasses is done,
Then we shut this door,
that's right.
and then that door automatically opens. So then you can load out.
What just happened is the molasses shut off, and you divert the flow back into the drum.
Yep. And we have one more door that allows this to be fed out. So
Yeah. When you hit discharge, here it comes.
the lighting's good, but yeah, you can just see that intact, nothing broken apart, consistent.
Mostly 20,000 pound batches?
Yeah, we'll do like some low ends where a couple ton. And whether it's, 10 ton or 2 ton, it all looks the same.